Hey there, it's trixieontrail. We're here in La Jolla, California. Spoiler alert, we just finished the trail. I didn't shoot the opening before, so this is going to be the opening and closing. Today's trail was about 4.5 miles with about a 300-foot elevation gain. It's been raining here in San Diego, so the trail was actually mostly paved today, and it was actually a little art tour of the UCSD campus, so that's the University of California at San Diego. It was called the Stuart Art Collection. It was an outdoor art collection with installations all over the campus. It was very interesting, and the leader today was actually Beth. John is usually the leader, but Beth led today. This was her trail that she laid, and we're doing a little celebration here after for Beth's 400th hike with the group and Patsy and Richard's 200th hike with the group.
So the plan is,
He's going to tell us.
these were in order of placement. We're going to start with 14 and go counterclockwise with a couple of little extras. It was cast from a live model with some embellishments from the artist. The pins are in the formation of the constellation Virgo, topped by starfish.
So this piece is called Bear. It's kind of cute. Looks like a big teddy bear. That's cute.
I don't have the wealth of knowledge.
So I guess this artist is famous for using materials from the area. So there's Snake Path.
Oh, yeah, at the top, the head is at the top.
And then we're going into the building. So are we going to the house, Beth?
Yes, we're going to the outside of it.
Bring the chips out when you're out of school. We can come and look at that.
I give up. Okay. The artist is Korean, and he came over to Rhode Island. It was such a difference in culture and homes. He felt like he had fallen out of the sky. And home was very important to him. This building took about 5 months to build down below. They hauled it up. There's a video on the website that shows that. So that was 5 months, but it took between 6 and 7 months to furnish because of all of the different angles. This is open for viewing inside. It's free Tuesdays and Thursdays, 11 to 2 when school is in session.
So next on the list is the Snake Path. And it's starting to rain, which is a drag. Stop on the tour. Read, write, think, and dream.
We have to check those
So
things.
give us what you got, Beth.
Okay, as you can see, this is called Read, Write, Think, Dream. Now, it's really cool. On the inside, it looks better, but these doors are primary colors and then become secondary colors when they open and close. But you can see it better from the inside. Okay, so you have these students, it's supposed to represent Roman columns, you've got books, you've got students inside there sitting, and There's oversized pens and pencils on one side, the same height as the palm trees on this side, and then there's an ocean scene over there on that side. So all of that is part of this art. And if you want more brochures, the information desk
Going to the
has them.
library, so we have to be very, very quiet. So there's the pencils. Oh yeah, because they blend when they pass over the other.
Noise levels.
What I think is really interesting is these students, it's not like it's the back. Both of them are the front. Right. I don't understand.
And then we have the ocean. So the next installation reviews. You said 3 trees,
There are
Beth?
3 trees.
3 trees. So this is the silent tree.
This is the silent tree, but
So this is
I just
covered
discovered
in
something, you guys, yesterday. So we're going to
some sort of metal. Oh, what does it say on it?
I don't know what it is. No, it's made out of metal.
Donors. Interesting.
Made out of metal.
So this is right in front of the library, and the interpretation. It's supposed to be something about books are made of trees. I'm not sure.
on a synopsis about Roadkill. So it just, you don't know.
So this tree
You know when
is
you're
which
here,
one?
It might be talking and it might not.
The
But this is
literary tree.
And it's stories and poems.
Okay. Stories and poems.
It was really loud yesterday.
Where are the stories and poems? Oh, it has a speaker, right?
Yes. The other one.
Maybe it needs a hug.
I don't know where the
speaker
speaker
that,
is on this one, but I know where the speaker is on
Tells
that
stories and poems. So the first tree in front of the library was silent. The second tree was literary. It tells poems, but the speaker wasn't on. This is the music tree. So it is playing a song right now. It's also made of metal.
The speaker is over here. It's louder on this side.
Okay. I'm gonna go on that side because it's louder.
I'm glad that one of them is working.
Literary tree has the day off. Yeah,
I
not
heard
really,
yesterday-
because it's not, oh, yeah, but it's
No,
not
but
playing.
it does.
So world music, nice.
Yeah, it's like this.
Another beautiful mural. What do you think, Susan? Is that your favorite piece?
My favorite piece so far.
Okay. Oh, it's mosaic too. That's gorgeous.
Doesn't say when it was built.
Okay.
But Ralph really likes this Dutch. He says that was a real.
You know what? That reminds me of Mother. What was the lady that hiked the AT? The grandma.
Oh yeah, I don't. I forgot her name.
What's her name? Grandma Mo. No, that's not it. But she hiked the AT with a shower curtain and a bag of oranges or something.
Oh yeah, I read that.
Looks like my mother when she came over on the boat.
Feel safe in the midst of my enemies.
Is that her name?
Is
For
this
the
not
trip
one
is
of the,
powerful
this isn't
and
on the
memorable.
list, is it?
So here's, what number is this? Oh, it's not on the list. This is a bonus. What does the plaque say? Yucateca sentada. So a Yucatan seated. A Yucatan person seated.
He looks almost like Malcolm.
Yeah, I get my.
Oh, see, I already decided he's like the redheaded girl from Charlie Brown because he has naturally curly hair.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, so our next installation is the Sun God. Okay, so the next installation is actually this tower.
I got ET. Okay.
Maybe it's ET.
And it's flashing Morse code. And it's giving us a message. But
The message is, well, let's go read the plaque, and it'll tell you what the message
Okay,
is.
the message is a secret. We gotta go read the plaque. So Samuel Morse, as in Morse code, and his partner Alfred Vail tested the first 40-mile telegraph line between Washington and Baltimore in 1844. The very first message was, "What hath God wrought? What hath God wrought?"
It's on their head, and they were all, God, it was really neat. So people, you know, they do dances and different things. So anyway, this is called the Hoya Project. Most people call it Stonehenge. And
Stonehenge.
it's pink and gray granite.
Mute my media. Google, mute my media.
So is that an earring over there?
No, this red shoe is supposed to be picking jewels in front of it. Is what the original
It looks like a heart.
idea was. It's made out of wood.
Is it really?
It was constructed in her studio in New York City.
Oh yeah, you can see it.
Looks like a heart with a parasitic worm coming out of it.
It's a shoelace.
Oh, it's a shoelace.
Shoelace. And that's the shoe hole.
Originally, the artist wanted a twisted piece of eucalyptus branch, you know, to be the lace.
Richard and Patsy's 200 list. Actually, the hikes they've done since 100 plus party. I don't want to up my printer too badly. All right, you know, Richard and Patsy didn't, at least Richard didn't want to get new shirts, so we're still using their 100 plus. This 200 plus is more than 100. So it's still encompassing. There's Richard. Okay. Where's green? Oh, there's Patsy. Yeah.
That's one part of it. So
You see the, yeah, I have a combination of their two, and you see what's on the back of mine. Yeah! And here we have. That's with a new number job on this one. Uh-oh. She has the same shirt, but
I won't wash it.
this time we replaced all 3 digits.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
That looks
Wow!
That's a very bright 400. Okay, all you guys hold your shirts up.
Yeah, let me put it on. That's why I wear this. Suck it in.
Okay, I got Patsy, I got Beth. 1, 2. And a bag. Thank you very much.